right, guys. So you can see the sun is out. We've had three days of nonstop rain. Not really hard, but just kind of nonstop. And so with today being a beautiful sunny day, I'm gonna go ahead and actually start cleaning some of my interior of my car here. So I got a lot of products, and one that I've just really started to like and use a lot of, the DIY Interior Clean and Protect. It's just a fantastic product. It's easy to use. Let me get in here and get going. But it's cheap. It's like $9.99 over at AutoForge. And it just works really good. It's super simple. Let me show you guys how it works. All you need is to order yourself one bottle of this. It's going to last a long time. And towel. That's it. Really? Yep. That's it. Let's go. Let me show you. All right, guys. So I've got my towel out here, and I've got my bottle. So I'm going to give it a couple little sprays here. I don't like to spray the area, so just get some nice sprays on there on your towel, and go ahead and start to wipe it in. And you can see it really doesn't change the color, doesn't darken up. Smells good. Good smell. You can get it right away. Now, I don't know if you can see that little area there. It's a little bit darker to the right around here, and then I haven't touched there. So that's about it. But once you put this on and you flip the towel over and wipe it off, it's not going to leave any different color, and so you can't see it there. And really, that's what we're doing here. And the Tesla's got all these windows, so we get a lot of light in here, and even though ceramic tinted, this has UV protection in it, and I want as much UV protection that I can get on my panels. Now, also, this not only works on that, but it'll work on my little suede here on my Alcantara, so I can wipe it like this. Remember, it's already on the towel. And then you flip your towel over and wipe it off. It's going to work on that. That's pretty cool, right? And let's just say I want to do my seats here. All right, my seats got a little gunk on them. Well, you can also use a scrub ninja mitt here. All right, and you can scrub away a little bit. Stuff smells so good, guys. Love it. So if you got to get into the cracks a little better, if you need a little agitation, that's the driver's side, so it's dirty. So then you just take this, get it, clean it, dry it up. Look at how dry that comes. Looks fantastic. And just take your time and go over everything. Another one, the nav screen. All right, so I'm going to go back to my towel here, and it's fine for all of that. So very cool. Very easy to do. All right, very cool. And guys, you might not think your car is dirty, but look at the dirt. That's just off my seat. My one seat over there, and I just did a quick little cleaning on it. I didn't even take my time. I could sit there and go over it really good. But that's the body oils and stuff. Here's a armrest. So I mean, look at that. That's disgusting. That's how dirty I am, guys. Look at how nice and clean that comes. And once again, look at this. Terrible. Look how dirty. And of course, if you just want to use your towel, look at how clean this towel was, brand new and clean, and look at how dirty it got. That's just from doing the dashboard and a little bit of the door panel. You could also use this straight up just to clean the seat on itself. You could wipe everything down if you didn't have a scrub ninja. If you got a brush, you can use a little brush too. But this is such a versatile and easy product to use. Flip the towel over, dry everything, got protection, you've cleaned it. And I'm not talking a heavy cleaner in here, so you don't have to worry about hurting or damaging anything. But when you add it in with a Scrub Ninja, it's going to get deeper and clean better. All right, so we're in another car here. It's white. Looks like it's pretty clean seats and stuff. Kids go in here. I go in here. So we're going to use this to scrub, and then we're going to use this clean part to dry it. All right? Let's see what we can get off this vehicle here. You never know. This is just saying that you don't know how dirty your car is until you clean it. I don't suspect too much, probably more in the back where the kids are. All right, so let's give it a little spray here. Let's move this. So we're gonna scrub. All right, let's get our fresh side of our towel here. I'm gonna fold it over, wipe, dry everything. Okay, so there's the seat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, it didn't look dirty. It didn't look dirty, guys, but that's how good this combination works. DIY and the Scrub Ninja over there. All right, let's go on this side of the towel. Let's just do a little, this is a clean side. Let's do a little cleaning on the top here. Again, where the sun hits and we want UV protection. Let me go over to that side. All right. Just continue wiping. Very easy. Let's wipe the steering wheel. Just a quick wipe down. Let's check this towel out. So nothing really there, not too much on the top there. All right, let's try this side. I'm gonna spray the DIY on there. Let's give this a little scrub. Make sure you get the front where your legs hang over and your body oils of your legs are. All right, we've got this towel. It is clean on this side. Let's do some wiping. All right, let's see here. Not too bad on this side. A little bit, but not too bad. All right. I could deal with that. All right, so I scrubbed away. I've got the clean inside out towel now. Let's wipe some of this. Now, not too many people come back here, but just the kids once in a while. So let's see what kind of filth they bring in here. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Okay, I see a little spot here. So when the feet touch the chair, let's go ahead and get this on there. And this is just whatever residuals on here. Got a little bit more right around here. You see that? Let's give this a little spray. All right, let's get in here. All right, let me switch hands here. Get this towel, wipe. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, here's a, all right, over here. Well, I don't like spraying it, but I got One hand stuck in here. Let's just get the towel and wipe. How well will that work? It's okay. It works okay. Better with the Scrub Ninja. All right, not bad. All right, guys, so I hope you liked the quick video. This is for your interiors, fast, clean, and protect type of product. It's not going to get in there and harm anything. It's a light cleaner and leaves UV protection behind. As I showed you, you can just use it with the towel. Look at the dirt it's got off. This is a brand new all-purpose towel. And very light dirt. I couldn't even tell that the car was dirty, but there was dirt obviously on there. If you want a little more cleaning power, get yourself a Scrub Ninja. You can use either side. This product will be stronger when you use agitation from the Scrub Ninja. So light, mild cleaning product, UV protection, smells fantastic, easy spray on and wipe off. Basically, you can't really beat it. It's $9.99 over at autoforge.net. You can get any of these 3 items, the DIY, interior clean and protect. You can get the multi-purpose or all-purpose towels over there. I'll put links to all this stuff and the Scrub Ninja. Guys, hope you liked the video. Check that out. It's been my new go-to because it's just so easy and fast. Combination works. Thanks guys for watching.